Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Monday Workspace login problems, account sync errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with Monday Workspace, you're not alone. Let's walk through how to fix account sync errors. First, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data to confirm it is active. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This action can resolve many login issues. Open your browser settings to locate the option for clearing cache and cookies. Once you've done that, restart your browser. Now, try logging back into your Monday Workspace account. If the issue persists, check if there are any ongoing service outages. Visit the monday.com status page for real-time updates. If there are no outages, try using a different browser. Sometimes, compatibility issues can affect authentication. You might also want to disable any browser extensions that could interfere with logins. Temporarily turn them off and retry the login process. If you're still encountering problems, try resetting your password. Navigate to the login page and click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Once you've reset, attempt to log in again. If issues continue, consult your IT department if you're part of a larger organization. They might have specific configurations or settings in place. As a last resort, reach out to monday.com support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error you're encountering. With these steps, you should be able to resolve your login problems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.